guys, here they are. These are the 3 main smoothies I've been drinking since I've gotten to Kanakiki, and with just a few adjustments, what I've been drinking the past 7 years. I would love to hear about your favorite smoothies and what's your favorite ingredients to add to them. And I usually just add water to my smoothies. I find that the fruit and whatever kind of additive I want to add to it kind of brings enough flavor to it, but you could also add juices or any kind of plant milk, almond milk, coconut milk, rice milk. I prefer water. Okay, so this next smoothie that I really like, that's a staple in my diet lately, is something that I've been taking advantage of since I've gotten to Hawaii. And it's a tropical smoothie with all these awesome tropical fruits. So I have 2 papayas in here, 2 passion fruit, aka lilikoi, and you're really supposed to eat these when they're all wrinkled up like this. I've realized when I don't eat them like this, it kind of cracks my lips. It's very, very acidic, so try to find them when they're wrinkled. And then I'm going to be adding some pineapple. But if you're on the mainland, you don't have access to all these great tropical fruits. Oh, I'm going to be adding bananas, by the way, too. Apple bananas. Probably about 5 or 6. I understand that these could be really expensive on the mainland, so you could substitute it with peaches or nectarines, or you could just simply add more pineapple or more banana. Yeah, just kind of go with the seasons. That's the best thing that you could put in your body. Okay, the final smoothie is going to be a green smoothie. It's going to have kale and some celery. It's about 1 stalk. Some citrus. I have a really good orange here, but you could pick something like a lemon or a lime. And then I'm going to add some green powder to it because you can't really get enough greens. Minerals are really dense in greens, and without minerals you cannot activate vitamins. So I like this brand Flora and Vibrant Health. They ferment their greens, which is really good, which makes it more bioavailable and digestible. And then of course I'm going to be adding a base, which is going to be bananas, and I'm probably going to throw in some pineapple from yesterday, but you don't necessarily have to do that. But yeah, and the greens could be anything. It could be collards, it could be spinach, romaine. I just really like kale, and that's what I have available right now.